Good morning, on another presenter. I'm Nandhini, working as an assistant professor in National College of Engineering in the Department of Computer Science and Technology. Today, we are going to see a topic of descriptive univariate analysis on data analytics with we are going to see that descriptive univariate analysis. Bar chart has been given and a bar chart has been given for it. For example, number of injuries is being given in the left hand side and the right hand side, a country is been given. A country A is mentioned in the form of yellow color, a country C in a blue color, and a country B in a red color. Injuries by country is in a pie chart. A blue color is in country A, yellow color is country B, and red color is mentioned in a country C. There are two types of pie chart and bar chart, which we can easily understand in a descriptive analysis way. Next one is a numerical variable values of my data dot student has been given, and this frequency has been given, and Gen spend time play computer games are been given. In this no time 1 to 2 hours and 4 or more hours has been given, which has been intimated to no time is intimated to 2500 frequencies. Gen spend time play computer games is been intimated to 2000 frequency. 1 to 2 hours is intimated to 1000 frequency, and a 4 or more other is been intimated to 500 frequency. Descriptive univariant analysis consists of a frequency tables, statistical measurements, and the plots is the measurements. The frequency is basically a counter that absolutely frequency counts how many times the values been appeared, the relevant frequencies, and the count of the percentage of the time that value appears. For example, a univariant absolute and relevant frequencies for a company attributes is given in the form of a company absolute frequencies, relative frequencies, which is in a company it is given as a good and absolute frequency is 7 and relative frequency is 50%. Next one is company is given as a bad absolute frequency is 7 and relative frequency is given in a 50%. Next one is an univariant absolute and relevant frequencies for height. It has been given in a height. There are many heights been given in a form of a 158, 163, 165, 168, 172, 173, 175, 180, 185, 190, 192, 195. And absolute frequency is given in a form of 1, 2 has been given. And the relative frequency is given in 7.14 percentage for one absolute frequency, and absolute frequency 2 for a relative frequency is 14.29, and then absolute frequency cumulative frequency is given for 1 is 1, 2 is 1, 3 is 1, 4 is 1, 6 is 2, 1 is 7, 8 is 1, 10 is 2, 11 is 1, 12 is 1, 13 is 1, and 14 is 1. And the relative cumulative frequency is being given for each height accordingly is 7.14, 14.28, 21.42, 28.56, 42.85, 49.99, 57.13, 71.42, 78.56, 85.70, 92.84, 99.98 is being given. Next one is in descriptive statistics. Distributed functions from a populace can be either through a proportional distribution functions or probability density functions depending on the data type of the given attribute. This descriptive attributes such as the integrate data types has a probability mass function, while continuous attributes such as a real data type has a probability density function. The reason for this distinction is that in a continuous phase, the probability of being an exactly value will be mentioned as a 0, and an univariant data visualization. Notice a visualization, visualizing the data in the form of a bar chart or a bar chart. In the bar chart, these are usually typically for nominal space. It is not advisable to use them with scalars where the notation of order existing. In other words, for ordinal and then quantitative scale, although this is a possible one. For example, how much water do you use? Shower is 16.8%, toilet is 26.7%, leakage is 13.7%, cloth washing is 21.7%, and fluctuate is 15.7%, and other is 5.3%. Water Work Association research found that the research ends uses of a water in triple nine, and the cost of the construction of a houses is labor is 25%, timber 10%, supervision is 15%, steel is 15%, bricks is 15%, and cement is mentioned in the form of a 20%. Next one is data visualization in the form of a bar chart. These are usually typical for the quantitative scales. When the notation of order is given in the form of a display horizontal bar, there is increasing order of a man. And many authors agree that the bar charts are better for comparing values between different pie charts, because it is easier to see that there is one bar is bigger than another than to see that the one pick slice is larger than the and the others is being shown in a store location. Most common items sold by the store location. The count unwent array items and item names. Green color is printer paper, blue color laptop, green color pens, yellow color is pens, violet color is envelopes, blue color blender, green color is notebook, and yellow color is known as a backpack. Then in the form of line charts, like area charts, these are used when the horizontal bar uses a quantitative measurements with equal lag between the observation. In particular, they are used to deal with the number of things. For example, an area chart used to compare several probability density functions. The density is mentioned in the form of a left hand from the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and Jensen districts is mentioned in the form of 0.25, 0.50, 0.75, and 1.00. Univarient data were used in the form of area charts. Area charts are used to compare the time series and distinction functions with the help of understanding of data distributions given us with a strong insights about an attribute. We are used in the form of instance that data are more concentrated in some values or that other values are ranked in the form of a data visualization manner. Univariant data visualization histograms. These are used to represent empirical distribution for attributes with a quantitative scale, historical or characters by grouping values in cell, reducing in this way the spike that is common in quantitative scales. You can see in that the historical is more informative than the bar charts. Next one is an statistical is an descriptor. It describes the numerical characteristics of the data of a population. There are two main groups of univariate statistics: locational statistics and descriptive statistics. Locational univariate statistics. Location statistics identifies a value in a certain position. Some well-known location univariate statistics are the minimum, the maximum, or the mean value. Next one is the location invariant statistics for height. Location statistics minimum, maximum, average mode. First quantitative, median, and the third quantitative. When the weight is being depressed in 55, 115, 79, 75, 65, 75, and 87. Thank you so much for your